It's really interesting.
It's a bit ironic Lisa Kreitz got breast cancer. For years, she was a health reporter turned medical consultant. And when the tables turned and she learned of her diagnosis, she wasn't surprised.
But there was something in me that felt that I would have breast cancer. So when I was diagnosed, it was like, it's my turn.
Kreitz opted to get a bilateral mastectomy, but that's not what brought her to tears.
So I was sitting there thinking, I've just had my breast amputated. I smell like a hospital and I can't even shower. And I think it was the first time I cried since being diagnosed. That was a huge issue to me.
Doctors said she couldn't shower for 2 to 3 weeks. The water could seep into her wound and cause an infection. She says the demoralizing experience of wearing a trash bag in the shower gave her an idea.
It's called the shower shirt.
In the midst of her recovery, Kreitz started a business. The waterproof jacket is now sold at Walmart. Kreitz is on a mission to get it covered by Medicare. She already has letters of support from Congressman Posey, Senator Haradopoulos. But still, Kreitz received this rejection letter from CMS. The Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services writes this product is classified as a convenience and not a medical necessity.
I sat back and I was just like, this is absolutely ridiculous. They must believe it's a convenience for breast cancer patients to shower after breast cancer diagnosis and amputation of the breasts.
Kreitz has already started the reapplication process. She should learn sometime in October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, whether her product will be covered by Medicare.
It's about those 200,000 women in this country that will be diagnosed with breast cancer this year. That puts my heart in my mouth.
She says this is the fight of her life. Michelle Burdo, Fox 35 News.